Good afternoon, students. In today's class, we will learn about the topic user interface. Now, let us come to the definition, or you can say what is user interface. User interface is a way to interact with the operating system or a specific way to give instruction to it. That is, the instruction that we are giving to the computer are through user interface, or you can say that user interface is a medium to interact with operating system. For example, if you want to play your favorite song, or you want to play some games, or you want the computer to print your article, so all these things, how would you tell to the operating system to interact all these type of things to the operating system? We need an interface, or you can say a medium, or we need a process through which you can interact with the operating system. For that, we are using the user interface. Now, what is user interface like? User interface is like a modern washing machine with different programs. As a modern washing machine comes with a panel where we can choose and press instruction button like P1 program 1 for wash only, program 2 rinse plus dry, program 3 rinse only, etc. Thus, in a nutshell, we can say that user interface comprises of everything the user can use to interact with the computer. It is basically the means by which the users and computer system can interact using different input and output devices. Now, come to the classification of user interface. User interface can be classified into two types: CU, command user interface, or you can say character user interface, and GUI, graphical user interface. Now, let us see what is CUI. CUI stands for Character User Interface. This is a type of user interface where users interact with computers using only keyboard. CUI is the precursor of GUI, or you can say the previous version of GUI, and are used in most primitive computers. Example, Microsoft DOS. CUI, Character User Interface, mainly uses commands, that is only text. Most modern computers are GUI, not CUI. Now, what is GUI? GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. Graphical User Interface is a type of the user interface with the computer using graphics. Graphics include icons, navigation bars, images, etc. Mouse can be used while using this interface to interact with the graphics. It is a very user-friendly interface and requires no expertise. For example, Windows has graphical user interface. Now, here are the pictures of CUI and the GUI. Now, here you can see that Microsoft DOS is the example of CUI, and the modern Windows or the Windows system is an example of graphical user interface. Thank you.